Hello guys, I was gifted this HDMI cable from the seller to show you all its cool features and what you can do with it. So it's 35 feet long. It's 4K at 60 hertz. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to my laptop and hook it up to my TV and show you what it looks like. And it's got some nice metal ends on it. So let's go hook it up and see what it looks like. Okay guys, I have this HDMI cable 4K attached to my laptop, and then on the other side I have it hooked to my TV. You can see you can get sound through the HDMI cable. The picture is crazy. Look at that. So that little cable right there, that's 35 feet long, will produce that kind of quality video. So this would be fantastic for your game system or laptop or whatever you need to hook up HDMI. Looks to be a very good quality cable. So if you guys need a HDMI cable, go ahead and get it.